Yeah, just click on that and just select what you want to do. That we right now we want to assign a epic first. Okay, so we will select a epic. If you want to assign multiple epics, then you can click on this and then do.
Create an epic.
Otherwise, yeah, right now we are just only assigning two epics more, right? Flight
Yeah.
booking and confirm booking. So I will go for the single one, the flight booking. See, you can just come to your this Excel sheet, click on this. Wait, can't we copy from here? Okay, okay, wait, enable editing. Yeah, yeah. Just select it, TRL plus C, come to the page, write the summary here, CTRL plus V, write it little elaborate to verify the functionality flight booking. Flight, flight. Okay, see, you're seeing this? Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
you understood it now? Just then you will click on the create. Okay, so just you will click on the create, and now you can see a new uh, epic is added. You see,
Yeah,
to
bro.
verify the functionality of flight booking is very easy. So you need to go for the create, then submit on epic, then write this what is the heading of the epic, and then create. Okay,
Hmm.
this is for the
Epic.
epic part. And now the stories, like you see all these stories are all assigned in some epics. Like if you click single epic, like you can see how many stories are assigned in that. Like if you click this epic and just highlight this, then these all the stories are assigned to this epic. So right now in this epic we don't have any story. Okay,
Yeah.
so now we will go to the create option. Now we can select here story. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
now you have to add multiple stories. Obviously in epic there are more many number of stories. So just click on here, click on create another, then you just come to your Excel sheet, just click on first one, CTRL plus C, then come here, LV C. Now you will, when you will click on the create, okay, you
Hmm.
can assign the priority also. Like that somebody will be sprint point. Okay, here you can't assign the priority. No, we will later assign. So we will click the create. Then see the next option. Again, it's coming blank. So that user story is been assigned. Means that is made. Okay, that is created. So now you just come back again. Just click on the second user story.
Bro, just click a cell. It will be copied automatically. No, don't need
Yeah.
to.
Okay. Like the simple is copy and paste. Okay.
Yeah, bro.
So when you will
Your
remove
spelling
this
is
one,
wrong.
okay, yeah. When you just off this create or another option, then when you will create, you can see that all these issues are created. So you can't see the issue here, but right now when you click on this issue without epic, then you can see both the epics we have added. These epics are not assigned to this till now. Then we will just do one thing. We will just click on it, drag on this one, and click on this and drag on this one epic. Now these stories are assigned to this. Now you can see. Okay,
Okay, bro.
you understood what's the process? Very simple one.
So basically, when you write to, can you hear me? So basically, first we have to do the epic portion. Then we have to write the click on the create issue.
Yeah, first you go to the first option is backlog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then you create. Click on the create option. First you make a epic. Like only one epic is left.
Yeah.
Confirm booking. Okay, I have created the second last one. Only one epic is left. So when you click on the epic and you write the epic name here, the epic heading. Okay, in the summary portion.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I got
Yeah,
it. I got it.
yeah.
Then
Then yeah,
create done. Yeah.
click. Yeah, then click on create. Then it will be created like this one only to verify the functionality. Okay.
Yeah.
Then for the stories part, like we in a epic we have a many number of stories, maybe 10, 15. Okay. So we don't want to open this page again because if we without clicking this create another, when you click a story like see, I will tell you
तो
like
एक मिनट एक बात बोल रहा हूँ भाई. तो मतलब बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट जो मतलब स्टोरी लिख रहा है तो बेसिकली एपिक के अंदर सेव नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब नॉर्मली सेव
नहीं
हो रहा
नहीं,
है,
उसको
तो
ऐसे
हमको
दे
ऐड करना है।
वी हैव टू, या वी हैव टू असाइन दैट कि किस एपिक में उसको डालना है।
अच्छा, ओके,
ठीक है।
समझ
मे बी यू वांट टू अपडेट सम एपिक्स, मतलब पुराने किसी लाइक एनी ओल्ड एपिक यू वांट टू ऐड मोर पॉइंट्स, देन यू क्रिएट एन स्टोरी एंड देन यू कैन असाइन डायरेक्टली टू दैट, ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप देयर
And what,
लाइक।
bro, what about the images? You told that images you have also uploaded in the
Sorry.
story. You told that images also uploaded in the
Yeah,
story.
yeah, I will tell. It's first the epic and user stories. After
Okay,
that, there's test
okay,
cases. Okay.
yeah.
So you understood our till the user story. Like one more example, I can see that I have added 2 points now. Like the third point. Okay. Yeah. Like the third point. Like the third point I am written. CTR.
How many
Okay.
epics are total we have done? Do you know?
We have, yeah, I just wait one second. Like if we without creating this, without clicking on this option, when we create this, then this page disappears and that epic is created. Like you can see issues without epic, in that epic is created. Okay, just you take it and drag it to this epic. Now it is assigned. Now you can see there are three epics in that, three stories in that. Okay,
Yeah. Stories, right? Okay, stories.
yeah, three stories in this epic.
Okay, okay.
Okay, and if you click on that this option, then you can add multiple stories in one go continuously. Okay, just I showed you in the first one. Like you can say, take one example. Like I am making two more. Like this is the fourth one. Okay,
Mm.
click and this is coming here. Yeah, see. Now this is button is clicked, so I will create on the create button. That is created, and that now you can add another one. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you want to add multiple stories in that, then you use this create another option. Now see, yeah, TRLV. Now remove that create option. Now click create. Now these two are created. See, now you just take it, drag, and this is assigned to this functionality, this epic. Okay,
Okay,
you
we can
understood?
choose anyway, bro. First one and the second one, our wish, right?
Sorry, which?
You said click on create issue, and another one you don't want to click on create issue. Directly it will be created.
Yeah, like if you create another one, then you can add multiple number of stories in one go. Like in continuously, you can copy paste. But if
Yeah.
you create without clicking in that, just you will make only one issue at one time, only one issue story one time. You can add.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So like in Epic, we have 10, 15 stories. No? So just click on create another, and it will come on continuously, and you
Okay.
can copy
Continuously,
paste.
it will be better.
Yeah, that will be better. That's because otherwise you will have to again click on create, then this page will come, then again click on create.
Time
That
taken process.
easy. Okay, so it is for the epic portion. I've added only five. You guys add later. There are 10, 15 more. So
Yeah.
now the second is you want to know test cases and test this one condition one. This is then click on the Zephyr scale.
Okay.
See, we have added folders here. You can see folders are here: sign up, login, password, passenger charter, cargo charter.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. See, these are all the folders we have made. We have made all the test cases here. These are all the test cases. We have done the execution and we have done everything. So I will make a new folder. Okay. Now to create a new folder, click on new folder and add a name. Like what's the flight booking? Na?
Yeah, flight booking.
Flight booking. So one folder is created. Okay. Now in this, there is no test cases and no this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we have to create a test case. So what is the first pressure? The first we will click on a create a test case. Okay. Now you can see this is the name, precondition. This is the details. So in the name, what will come? Viresh?
Yeah, bro.
In the name portion, what we will write?
A test condition.
Yeah. In the name one, we will write the test condition. Like you have written. This is the first one, na?
Yeah, bro.
Test condition. This one.
Mm.
See. Okay. Yeah. Now see. Now we have copied this. CTRL-C. Now we will click on here and just we will put it here. Okay. Now the precondition you have made.
Yeah, bro. But
Yeah. Now
I don't know what we put in the object place.
No objective we don't need to put.
Okay.
We will do all the test cases and all step wise. Just see what we are going by step wise. Now you add the precondition here.
Hmm.
Okay. First, what you did, you added the test condition here on the name and the precondition you have given. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now you add the test script. That is the test cases. So you can see here is step by step. So we need to add step by step only. Now in the first step, you just come here.
Ashish, one doubt. Go to next previous page.
Yeah. Okay. Wait a second. Yeah. Previous one.
Details. Details.
Okay. Oh, so details. Wait.
Okay.
Details.
In the details, priority also we have to make, na?
Yeah, you can set it's
Yeah.
randomly selected. You can create like it's
High
a high
priority.
priority,
Yeah.
so you can select high priority.
Yeah.
Now you come to the test script. Here
Hmm.
you will write all the test cases steps. These were the steps. Like these are the steps now.
Hmm. Okay.
First
Test
one,
one.
second one, yeah. So you just click on the offset, open the website URL. See, it will take time because it's very time. Have done 4 or 5 hours like then it went to like two
Yeah,
three
bro. It will take some time
Yeah,
because
you
technical.
yeah, you will have to just separately, like you have copying the second one.
Ashish, you don't need to copy entire one. Just click and cell. Just Control C. That's it. It will be copy.
Okay.
Automatic.
Like in the yeah, you open the website, and then add another step. Now CTR will be. You will have to write this also. You will have to write by our hand, matlab our thinking.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Test
Like
data
in
also
like open the website URL. What will be the expected result? The home page
will be appear display.
the like wait the
Okay.
remove the
Home page should be
Go
displayed.
Indigo. Yeah. Go Indigo page. Home page should be displayed. Okay.
Hmm.
And for the second one, what will be the click on the login page? Then login page should be displayed. See. Okay. Now you will have to add all the steps one by one.
Keep, bro. MS Word is taking.
No, it's saying this, bro. It's not copying.
Okay, okay,
It's not copying. You will have to copy with that only. You
okay,
have
okay.
to select and copy.
Okay, okay. In the Excel sheet
Because
only it will come back. I think.
yeah, it's saying something. No, you are copying from Word, something like that. So enter valid phone number. So phone number be entered. Okay. Next step. Next steps are there. Valid password. So just see what I'm doing. It in one example you will understand.
Yeah, bro.
Okay. The first one. Yeah. This will you will have to write by yourself. Is all. It's expected and actual. Actual, I will tell you when it comes. Like all the data we have to copy, no? The data.
Yeah, bro. Last one we can put actual data.
Actual data, it will come at the time of execution.
Okay, okay.
Just see now, you will get to know. First, click on login page. No, just we have to fill all these things. in which we have like given in a random number 2, 3, 4, 5 password.
It will be random, Ashish, right?
Yeah, it's random. It's
No
a
need.
number. We have to just give a valid number. It's a 10-digit number, na, and it's a password, so no problem. It's for just testing. Okay.
Yeah.
So now you save it. Okay. You see, first we added the details, the test condition and the precondition, then test script, all the test cases. Now we come to the execution part. Okay. See, first I will click here execution. No execution is coming. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So come back to the main page. Means the page, not this page. Jafire skill.
Jafar scale.
Yeah.
Test cycle. Yeah.
Yeah, flight you can see. Click on this box, there will come create a test cycle. Okay, just
Hmm.
save it. You don't need to add in anything in there. Just save it. Okay.
No
Now,
need, bro. Description, name,
no, no,
all.
no, no, no need to add because we are doing the test cases and it's written on that only. So no need to add that. Okay. So
Okay.
now come back here. Now click on this. Now come to execution. See, now you can see that it's not executed.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now come here. Click on this. Now you will have to execute. And this is a timer. We have to run the timer according to the our exact means we are doing this test, we are going to the website, we are putting this and not correctly but anuman, so like you can say estimately.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so you can estimate. I just did all the estimation, like the here is the now here we will have to write actual result. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
see now go Indigo, like when we click on the website, go Indigo page, home page is displayed. It's like we have done the testing. Go Indigo homepage is displayed. Okay. Login page. Login page is displayed. Like you can start the timer now. It will take 30 40 seconds. Now see phone number. Phone number
Is
is
entered.
entered. Password is entered. Okay. Booking page is opened. Okay. Now these are all the in actual data we have given. Now this is the execution part. This is pass. This is fail. This is block. So now we have doing this, and we got the home page. So this is pass. Okay. Login page is open. This is passed. Number is it is taking. Password is valid. This is all passed. Now when we do the last part, the timer will stop. Means like our all the test cases passed. See the timer will all stop automatically.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. These are all the steps only. These are the like till here we have to do.
What is the meaning? What is the aim of time here?
Time is like you are doing the execution. You are testing now. You are a tester. So you opening the website. You are following these steps. Like you are first clicking on Go Indigo website. Then you go click on the login page. Then you fill your number, phone number. Then you fill your password. Then you are if you are getting the web page booking page or not.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so it's like a actual test we are doing. We are manually going to the official website, clicking on the login page. So what time it takes to you to get the booking page? That is the timer.
If we click on cross mark, go to scroll down just.
It's fail. Like if your actual result and expected result is not matched. But most of the like we have made, most of the like all of the mostly all of the test cases we have made that will be passing only.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
just one test case has failed, like in the cargo charter one, dimensions and that one.
Okay. Okay.
Otherwise, every test case is passed. So you understood what you need to do in this page.
How, bro, Ashish? How we can create sprint first? We have to create one sprint first of all, right?
Sprint actually we have to make a sprint, but it's not necessary because if we are showing this sprint is just like when you make the epics backlog.
Yeah,
Here
bro.
you can start a sprint. Okay, it will just show your means what you are doing, what is in the progress, what is completed.
Okay, okay.
Okay, it's like that. But we can do it tomorrow also. It's nothing like it will just start, and it will show your our all the descriptions there. So it's not necessary. But first we need to do this all these things.
So
Test
I,
case.
for entire this epics and user stories, we have to make one name, right? Go Indigo flight or something.
Yeah, like no, this is the project I have written. We can rename it, I guess, somewhere. Like I have written the sprint. We can change this project name. Okay.
Just
Yeah.
write the test cases for now, and I mean whatever the Ashish already shared. I mean epic stories
So
and test cases.
first,
Then we will do
first,
the laser portion tomorrow.
yeah, first, tell me like everybody got like understood now what's the process. It's very simple, step by step process.
Yeah, if you have okay, I will after the complete your whatever you want to say, Ashish. Then I will say some portion. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. No, no, I have said like I have like made you understand like what's the process.
So
So if you
it's
have,
done now.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's done. It's very
Ashish,
simple.
yeah, Ashish, I can understand. Can I share my screen just once? I will do one portion. It's it will get clarity.
Yeah. First, go to Viresh. First, add user stories. One, two user stories on that.
It is loading. Yeah, it is backlog.
Yeah. No, no, it's project not bro. It's the same project, bro. It's the same project you are on.
Yeah, yeah,
Just
same project. What is our project? This one or this one?
upper, upper.
This one.
You are in the same project, bro. The backlog option. You don't need to go anywhere. You are just
Okay, okay. Now we
this
have
is,
to add one user story, right?
yeah.
Create.
Here this is option. Yeah. Wait, wait. First, close this.
Okay.
Here is option where you can open the Epic bar.
Okay,
Click
okay.
on the
Yes.
Epic portion. Epic portion. Yeah, Epic panel. Click on the Epic panel. Then you can see all the epics. Yeah. Now you can see all the epics.
These are the epics, right?
Yeah. So we need to add in the last one to verify the functionality. I have what? How much I have added? Just click on that. I have added one, two, three, four, five. So you add six, seven means next two.
Okay. Create issue.
No, click on that create. Upper one.
Okay, this one.
Yeah. Okay. Then the story is selected. Now click on create another. Then you can add multiple stories, one or two, three at once.
Okay. We have to first copy, right?
Yeah.
Sixth one, right?
Sixth one. Yeah. Yeah.
Create.
Create.
Same like this.
Yes, it's seventh one. If you click on create another, then it will directly come. Yeah, just click on. Now click this one. Cancel one. Cancel. Just click on cancel. Okay. Now click on the epic part. Epic part portion. Now issues without epic. Yeah. Now you can see these two issues are without epic. In which see this one 60 and 61. Okay. Just drag it to the that epic portion. Just
The,
drag.
okay, okay.
Yeah. Just drag it. Yeah,
It's
it's
drag.
assigned. Yeah, see,
Okay.
you can see on the right side now to verify the functionality of flight booking. It's assigned.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See, so you understood how to add user stories in Epic, right?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Now you can come to the Zephyr skill. How to like, just go through the steps. Later you do it. Just tell me the steps only. What
Okay,
you
okay.
understood.
Yeah, these are the.
Click on
So,
the flight booking. Yeah, there
bro,
only one.
we have to add in the order wise how to do.
Yeah, yeah. We will add. I will
This
do
one,
this.
okay.
Yeah, just take it down. It will come.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
see, click on the flight booking. There is only one added. It's passed also. So add
Okay.
another one.
Another one new.
New, yeah, new. See, don't do it. Just see.
Okay.
There
Okay.
is a
This is
yeah
the next
test
one. Test
condition,
condition.
yeah, test condition,
Next
pre-condition, then
condition.
test scripts.
Priority.
Yeah, you can select priority according to your logic.
Okay. After the
Yeah,
test script, so we have to
test
add three
condition,
cases here.
add, yeah, stepwise all this test data. If there is any data, then
Yeah. Like
expected result we have to type.
yeah, like this.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. After that, to traceable
Yeah.
execution part.
After that save. After that save. Execution
Okay.
won't come like this. After that
Yeah.
save.
Yeah. After that save, we
Yeah,
have
now,
to
then go then when you will click on the back, just come on the back page.
back.
Click on the back. No, not this back. Like come to this
Okay. Okay.
left side one. Yeah. Yeah, not so Zephyr skill. It's very much back. Sometimes this website is very difficult to work on. So it's sometimes very slow. Like click
Yeah.
on the icon.
This one.
No, no, not like you understood how to do this precondition and test task.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Yeah. When you will come back to the website, like the page. Yeah, this one, Zephyr skill. Click on that.
Okay. Okay.
Like you see, there is a test case. Now I have made.
Yeah, bro.
When you will click on this box, you will get a test cycle option.
Yeah.
See, create. You click on that. It is created before only. Just you will get the test, create test cycle, create a test cycle, then you can execute.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And in the execution part, you need to fill all the actual data for each test case step. Just I
Okay.
did. Okay.
Okay.
It's very simple. It's very stepwise process. Okay. I think
Okay.
you will understand. Okay.
Yeah, bro.
So today, like you guys have made like Videsh, you do one thing. Today you do like today or tomorrow morning.